Hello dear children, today we shall have our grammar class and we shall revise English first portion that I have given in the unit test. Okay, in English grammar I have given you do as directed. Okay, now many students were having confusion about this, that what actually is this do as directed. So do as directed will have such type of questions as you have done earlier. Assignment is given on page number 9 and 10, so same type of questions. So here today we shall learn that how to transform the sentences beginning with as soon as to no sooner and hardly. Okay, we shall study this and other types also we will study. So we shall start and understand it very carefully, children. Now here you can see, yes, transformation. So which all type of transformation we shall study today? So first of all, transformation of as soon as to no sooner than. Okay, and then as soon as to hardly when, and transformation of sentence containing to, that is TOO, to so that, and so that to TOO. Okay, and then fifth type, that if any sentence is there, if it begins with none, if any sentence begins with none, so how we can write that sentence. So today we shall have explanation on all these and learn it very carefully, children, and this will come in the unit test as well. Now here you can see that when two events occur immediately one after the other, then we write such sentences using as soon as, no sooner and hardly. Once again, if two events occur immediately one after the other, then we write such sentences using as soon as, no sooner or hardly. And then here format I have given, that is how we can write those sentences from with no sooner. Now you can see, when any sentence begins with no sooner, then it is followed by did. Okay, it is followed by did, then first event which has taken place, in which verb will be in the first form. As we know that did always is followed with the first form of the verb, and then use of conjunction than is there, and the second event. It will be much more clear when we will do the examples. Okay, now hardly, that if the same sentence which is written beginning with as soon as, and if that has to be written beginning with hardly, so how we can do so? That hardly is followed by had, and then first event with verb third form. As we know that in the perfect tenses, had is always followed by the third verb form, and then use of conjunction when is there, and then second event comes. So it will be much more clear once we do the examples. Now you can see this first one. As soon as he saw the lion, he climbed up a tree. Now here you have to begin with no sooner. Then you can see how we have to do this, that if a sentence begins with no sooner, it is followed by did. Okay, it can be followed by did also and had also. So the sentence begins with no sooner and then followed by did, and no sooner did he, that is subject will come as it is, no sooner did he see the lion. So as I told you that whenever we write a sentence and whenever we write a sentence beginning with no sooner, it is followed by did, and did is always followed by which form of the verb? First form of the verb. So you can see did is given and then see is given. Okay, see, saw, seen. So first form is see. So you have to keep in mind, no sooner did he see the lion than, very important that with no sooner always conjunction than will come between the main clause and the subordinate clause. Okay, so here you can see, no sooner did he see the lion than he climbed up a tree. That is the second clause which is there, that will remain as it is. He climbed up a tree, it will remain as it is. Only what change we have to do is, we have to do changes, we have to make changes only in the first part. As soon as he saw the lion, he climbed up a tree. So no sooner did he see the lion than, THAN, very important children, because most of the children make mistake in writing this conjunction. In place of than, THAN, they write then, THEN. So this you don't have to make mistake. Keep that in mind. No sooner did, is always followed by first form of the verb. So no sooner did he see the lion than he climbed up a tree. Okay, now the same sentence which is written using did, no sooner, when we are using did here, so we can also use had in this. But in this case, if we will use had in place of did, then what will change will be there, we have to use third form of the verb here, that is seen. It will become, no sooner had he seen the lion than he climbed up a tree, and rest of the things will remain same. Okay, I hope it is clear. That once again I'll repeat for you, no sooner did he see the lion than he climbed up a tree. And if you are writing using had, that no sooner had he seen the lion than he climbed up a tree. Okay, now see, one more example we'll do. As soon as the teacher entered into the class, students stood up. Okay, now in this you can see two events are occurring immediately, one after the other. First event is the teacher entered into the class, and then second event is students stood up. Okay, so the first event will come first and second event will come afterwards. So no sooner did, keep that in mind, that no sooner can be followed by did also and had also. If we are using did with no sooner, verb will be first form, and if we are using had, then verb will be third form. So no sooner did the teacher enter, okay, first form of the verb, no sooner did the teacher enter into the class than, conjunction. Now these 3 points are there, only you have to keep in mind. Okay, no sooner did the teacher enter into the class than students stood up. Okay, I hope it is clear. And if you have to write the same sentence using had, so what will be there, in place of had, did, what will come, had will come, and then in place of enter, what will come, you will add ed, that is third form of the verb, enter, entered, entered, and then will remain as it is. Okay, so no sooner had the teacher entered into the class than students stood up. Okay, now see, as soon as can also be written beginning with hardly, as we are writing as soon as beginning with no sooner. So the same type of sentences, same sentence can be written beginning with hardly also. Now this one you can see, that hardly had the teacher entered. Now with hardly you have to use only had, you cannot use did, keep that in mind. With no sooner you can use did also, had also. Did will take first form of the verb, had will take third form of the verb. But with hardly you have to use only and only had. Okay, hardly had the teacher entered, it will remain as it is, that is third form of the verb you have to take with had. Okay, hardly had the teacher entered into the class when, very important, you have to keep this in mind, that hardly takes when with it, like no sooner takes than with it, so hardly takes when with it. So hardly had the teacher entered into the class when students stood up. Okay, now first sentence also you can see that how this sentence can be written beginning with hardly, that hardly had he seen the lion. Now see here, third form of the verb, see, saw, seen. Okay, hardly had he seen the lion when he climbed up a tree. Okay, rest of the things are same. So hardly, then followed by had, then subject, verb, third form, and conjunction between the two clauses is when. Okay, now next you can see next type of transformation, I am too tired to walk any further. So now here which type of transformation we'll study? The second type that I mentioned earlier on the first page, that how you can transform to so that. Okay, to so that. So here I'm too tired to walk any further. So to and so, which type of words are they? They are the adverbs, and they can be written from one form to the other, that is they can be transformed into one another. Now here it is written, so I am too tired to walk any further. So you can transform this sentence using so. So how it can be written, that I am so tired that I cannot walk any further. Then now you can see that to here is a negative word. You have to keep in mind which is transforming into cannot. Okay, because this am is given, verb is given in present tense, so we are using can, and to is there. To is a negative adverb, so that has been changed into not. Now here after this second example you can see, he is too ill to come to school. He is too ill to come to school. So you have to use so in your sentence transformation. So he is so ill that he cannot come to school. Now see, is given, so you have to write can, and to has been transformed into not, because to is a negative adverb, it has negative sense. So he is so ill that he cannot come to school. Okay, now how we can change vice versa, that is so that to. Question number 5th you can see here, that time is so precious that it cannot be wasted. Time is so precious that it cannot be wasted. Now you have to use to in your answer. So time is too precious to be wasted. Now this word cannot which is there, so you can see the word cannot. So in your transformation this cannot has been changed into to. Okay, time is too precious to be wasted. Then next one, sixth number, the fan is so heavy that I cannot lift it. The fan is too heavy for me to lift. Okay, the fan is too heavy for me to lift, that is I has been changed into me. Okay, so the fan is too heavy for me to lift. Now last type, fifth type of transformation, which I told you, that the sentences beginning with none. So here you can see, only a film star can afford to live such a luxurious life. Now you have to begin with no one. Now in your transformation how will it become? This you have to keep in mind, that when the sentence begins with no one or none, okay, then it is followed by but. Keep that in mind always, that when a sentence begins with no one or none, so it is followed by but. So no one but a film star can afford to live such a luxurious life. Now try to understand the meaning of the sentence, this one. only a film star can afford to live such a luxurious life. That is, only a film star can afford and nobody else, no one else. So here we have to uh, write it in this way, that no one but a film star, that is all are excluded, only who is there to understand, to afford, that is a film star only. So no one but a film star can afford to such a luxurious life. That is the meaning of transformation, doesn't change, it has remained the same. Okay, now last one, question number 8. The brave alone deserve the fair. So you have to begin with none. So none but the brave deserve the fair. None but the brave deserve the fair. So in this way you have to keep in mind the rules of transformation. Now once again we shall repeat what we have done today. Transformation of no sooner to than. Okay, as soon as changes to no sooner and hardly. Meaning of all three sentences before and after transformation remains same, whether we begin the sentence with as soon as or no sooner or hardly. Meaning of the sentence remains the same. Now with no sooner we can use did also, and with no sooner we can use had also. Okay, had I have not given here, but you have to keep that in mind. With no sooner we can use did. If we are using did, then it is followed by verb first form, and conjunction than is used with no sooner, and hardly is followed with had only. Did we cannot use with hardly, so hardly followed by had, and then verb third form and conjunction when comes between the two clauses. Okay, then next one, example as we have discussed. Now you listen to the explanation twice and thrice carefully and write the notes in your copy, and if you have any kind of doubt you can call me personally. Okay, thank you dear children.